Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Masterminds channel. Today we will explain how data types work in Python, as well as introduce some of them to you all. First up are integer variables. Integer variables are variables that can take the value of an integer or number. Here I am using num as the variable and storing the value 1 to it. Float variables can take decimals in. Here the variable is decimal and the value is 3.4. String variables are variables that are treated as text. ABC will output hello as text. In Python, there are ways to convert a variable type to another. So in this example, new num converts from an integer to a string, a decimal, or a float. It can even stay an integer. Even though in this example, new num doesn't change at all when converted into an integer. For example, you can convert a float into an integer, which will round it to the nearest one value. Finally, we are printing the variables so that they output their value.
We hope you learned something from this video and thank you for watching.